I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video I'm going to show you how to play an acoustic version of What Makes You Beautiful by One Direction. Let's start off with that opening lick. If you haven't already done it, pause the video now and download the tab. That'll make it a lot easier. The intro starts off with kind of a weird little double stop. We're going to put our ring finger on the 4th string, 6th fret, and then we're also going to play the E string open. Now you have two choices to articulate this. I like to use my pick on the 6th string and my middle finger on the 4th string. Try that. If you can get comfortable with that, the rest of it will be a lot easier. Your alternative is to use your other fingers to mute the 5th string. But that gives you one more thing to think about. It's way easier to use your ring finger. The second pair of notes, or double stop, is going to be your first finger on the 5th string, 4th fret, and your middle finger on the 6th string, 5th fret. And you can just play them with your pick. Just slide those same two fingers up 2 frets, so you're on the 6th fret, 5th string, and 7th fret, 6th string. So you're just sliding that up. Then you move your first finger over to 6th string, 4th fret, and since there's a space between those two notes, we're going to switch to our ring finger, which makes it easier to go to the next two. When we start the verse, we want it to sound kind of quiet but energetic. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our first finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and I'm going to palm mute down here. I'm going to touch the strings right above the bridge with the heel of my hand, with this part of your hand. Put that down. And don't actually stop the strings entirely, but just kind of muffle them a little bit. And the first chord you're going to play is an E. Technically it's an E5, but we're going to call it an E. You're going to play the first string, play the 6th string open, and the 5th string on the 2nd fret. To go to the A chord, you just move your first finger over one and play the 5th string open and the 4th string on the 2nd fret. Now for the B chord, your first finger goes back to the 5th string, 2nd fret, and with your ring finger, you're going to play the 4th string, 4th fret. Easy as can be. And down on the everyone else in the room part, you're going to play a full E chord. That's going to be first finger, 3rd string, 1st fret, middle finger reaches over to get the 5th string on the 2nd fret, and your ring finger plays the 4th string, 2nd fret. Play all 6. Everyone else, go to an A chord. A bunch of ways you can play an A chord, whatever is most comfortable for you. Because we're going to a C sharp minor, which is a bar chord, I'll often use my first finger. So you play the A string open, and then your first finger plays the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings all on the 2nd fret, and you're kind of muting the E string. To go from there to the C sharp minor, slide this finger all the way up and over. So you're playing a good solid C sharp there on the 5th string, 4th fret. If you can, use the tip of your finger to mute that E string. Your middle finger goes in the 2nd string, 5th fret, one up from your first finger. Your ring finger plays the 4th string, 6th fret, 2 frets up. And your pinky plays the 3rd string also on the 6th fret. Play 5 strings like I said. To go from the C sharp minor to the B easily, we're just going to slide down 2 strings. First finger is still playing that 5th string, but now on the 2nd fret. And you're going to pick up your middle finger and your pinky and lay your ring finger down on the 4th string, 4th fret, 3rd string, and 2nd string. Does that look familiar? Exactly. That's all the chords until we get to the soft, heartfelt part right after the na-na-na-na-na-nas. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. We're going to play an A sus2. Now, the way you put your first finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and play 5 strings, making sure that the B and the E string ring freely. To switch from there to the B, first finger just moves over to the B note on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Middle finger hangs. The ring finger is going to move up to the 4th string, 4th fret, and the pinky crowds behind her, and the 3rd string also on the 4th fret. Now this is just like a regular B, except that you're going to make sure that B and E string is still ringing. And down toward the end of that, we're going to slide up to a C sharp minor, using that palm mute again. Now F sharp 5 is just a 1st finger on the F sharp, 2nd fret, 6th string, and your ring finger plays the 5th string on the 4th fret. Just going to hit that and hold it once. You don't know you're beautiful. Okay, on the strumming, I already showed you the palm mute. For each verse, you're going to want to play it like that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, 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 down. For the rest of the song, your steady beat is pretty much the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. The rhythm pattern for it is very similar to the na-nas. If you want to fast forward to that, na 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 na. So the hand keeps moving. You want to keep a steady tempo, but only play the times that you're singing a na. Na 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 na. The first set of na-nas anyway, you don't want to quit playing when you quit singing na. But you get the point. Don't forget to check below the video for a link to the tab to the intro, a link to a chord chart for the whole thing, a play-along video if you need something to help you practice with, as well as links to other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box that's for your questions. If you didn't understand something, I probably left it out. Please ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been How to Play What Makes You Beautiful by One Direction. Thank you for watching.